we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go.
So, ayan na guys, yung order ko sa Taobao, dumating na siya. So, I will gonna show you what is this inside. So, this one, I am trying to open it because I am poor. I'm using the nail cutter. Charot! Ayan, so, ayan, magantay-antay na lang kayo kung anong nasa box. Surprise! Malademure na jewelry box. At ang ganda-ganda. If you like to order that, just message me. Charot! Oh, siya. Okay na yan. So, I have this second box also just came. And the same order but different seller. Ayan, so ayan, tingnan nyo. Guess what kung anong meron dyan sa loob. Charot. Baka yun yung pagmamahal mo na wala siya. Charot! Because I'm so very hands-on to our reading, so I was preparing early for some of these, but it's only optional if we were gonna use this or not, because our marriage will be gonna make it in only by a judge. So this one is only a props. Charot! Yung may nasabi lang natin meron tayo. Ganun. So mostly, if like in Philippines, we're doing in a church, so our family using this one, so the corsage will be in the rest of the girl or in the bridesmaid or your families like that, but the boutonniere is for the man. Ayan. So ay yan na kayo, yan yung nilalagay nila sa kanilang dib. Ayan, ganun. And this one is my wedding bouquet, which is I choose the color, and my husband to be he like it too. So this one. Good luck and best wishes to us. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys.